Why do 75% of BBQ lovers swear by these spots? Let's find out. First stop, Franklin Barbecue in Austin, Texas. This place is legendary for their melt-in-your-mouth brisket. You'll be dreaming about it for days. Next up, Joe's Kansas City Bar, BBQ. Try their Z-Man sandwich. It's piled high with brisket, smoked provolone, and onion rings. A total flavor explosion. Heading to Memphis, Tennessee? Don't miss Central BBQ. Their slow-smoked ribs with a tangy sauce are a must-try. Finger-licking good. And finally, head west to San Francisco's 4505 Burgers and BBQ. Their smoked meats and house-made sausages are out of this world. Plus, you can enjoy it all with a stunning city view. Hungry yet? Hit that like button if you're ready to plan your BBQ road trip. And tell us your favorite BBQ spot in the comments below.